Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Hello Crypto Gamer, today I'm sharing with Boton Dojo Daily Combo for September 15, 2024. Okay, the first card which is a host a blockchain team cruise. Okay, this one. Okay, and then for the second card which is, okay, go to code and find this the card. Oh, this one. Perform QA testing. This one. And then for the third card, which is, go to this one. See, develop governance voting system. There we go. This is the best 3 card for Boton Dojo in September 15. Okay, click claim. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe.